5 Air Jordan 1s that are going to continue to skyrocket in price here in 2022. Free bread patent leather Air Jordan 1 giveaway. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the patent leather bread Air Jordan 1s. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Let's see if we can get this video up to 1,000 likes. If we get 1,000 likes on this video, after the patent leather bread Air Jordan 1 giveaway, I'll do another Air Jordan 1 giveaway. So make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. I'm also going to give away a pair of Panda Dunks as well, so make sure you guys subscribe. I want to be the Mr. Beast of sneaker YouTube, and I need your help in doing that, so make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Make sure you guys also subscribe to the channel and leave a comment down below. Let's get into this list. 5 Air Jordan 1s that are going to continue to skyrocket in price in 2022. Let's do it. If you would be interested in joining a group where we talk about sneaker investments, we'll talk about what sneakers will go up in price, what sneakers will go down in price, and we'll all make money together. If that would be something you'd be interested in, make sure you give me a follow on Instagram at DannyMoore2369 and DM me, tell me to go create that group. If I get a bunch of you guys telling me to do it, I'll go ahead and do it. We'll keep the group very limited. We'll all make money together. We'll talk about sneaker investments. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you let me know. DM me on Instagram. Click my link down below in the description. Go check out Sole Premise bags. They have the best bags made for sneakerheads. And make sure you use my discount code DannyMoore to receive 40% off your order from SolePremise.com. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring today's video. Sole Premise makes the best bags made to hold your sneakers. So sneakerheads, if you're traveling anywhere, make sure you guys check out Sole Premise. Their bags are high quality and they're very affordable. Make sure you guys check them out. Let me show you guys 2 of their bags. So first up, I have the duffel. I absolutely love the duffel. It holds, right now I'm holding 6 pairs of sneakers in here. On the top, I have 4 pairs of sneakers. You can see I have 1s, some 4s. I also have sneakers underneath there. And then on the side, both sides, you could fit another pair of sneakers. As you guys can see, I have a pair of black and white Nike Dunks on one side, and on the other side, I have another pair of sneakers as well. Sole Premise has a ton of different colors in their duffel bags. Make sure you guys check them out. Now, for their daily bag, this bag I use every single day. This bag is phenomenal. I love it. This is their daily bag. It holds 2 pairs of sneakers, so awesome if you're on the go for a quick day trip. Perfect bag right here. It also holds your laptop as well and has more storage, plenty of space in the daily bag. And the daily bag is very affordable. Make sure you guys check them out. All their bags are affordable, great prices, great quality, tons of colorways. You're gonna find a bag that you're gonna fall in love with and use all the time. Just like I use this bag each and every day. This right here is my go-to. I love Sole Premise bags. Make sure you guys check them out. Link down below. And don't forget to use my discount code DannyMoore to receive 40% off your order from SolePremise.com. Thank you once again, Sole Premise, for sponsoring this video. Make sure you guys check them out. Link down below. I love my Sole Premise backpacks. They're great, sneakerheads. Make sure you guys check them out. This list is not in any particular order. It's just sneakers that I believe, Air Jordan 1s I believe, that will skyrocket, continue to skyrocket here in 2022. So make sure you guys buy these Air Jordan 1s before it's too late. Number 5, right here, a recent release Air Jordan 1 that is reselling for right around $210. The Air Jordan 1 Marina Blue. These are very, very clean and very undervalued. These are going to go up in price here in 2022. I do believe towards the end of the year they will. I think it'll take a few months. $250, $260, and then they'll jump up to like $300. So definitely gonna go up easy, $50, $60, even $70 by the end of the year. The Marina Blue Air Jordan 1 is very similar to the Royal. It's just a very nice colorway, very nice color blocking, and similar to the Shadow 2.0. Take a look at the Shadow 2.0s. They were reselling for around $220. They are now at around $300. I recommend holding bigger sizes, and we cannot forget grade school. Grade school is not going for much over retail at all, and grade school has to go up to easy 180 to 200, maybe even 210, 220. So they definitely have to go up by the end of the year as well. And hey, if you don't own any Air Jordan 1s that don't have any blue in them, I think this is definitely a go-to right now, and they're very affordable. The Marina Blue Air Jordan 1. The next Air Jordan 1, I unfortunately do not have a pair in hand. I have done a video on this sneaker, of course, before. So I'll show you guys some B-roll of the shoe, the Atmosphere Air Jordan 1. Right now, they're reselling for around $250 to $260. I easily see them being a $350 sneaker. This year, here in 2022, that is. In the future, they're going up to $450. This is a clean Air Jordan 1, a very nice colorway, nice color blocking. This is not something we see all the time with the pink, with that navy. It looks black in some pictures, but it is navy. You do have the bubblegum hit on the bottom. This is just a very nice Air Jordan 1. They do come in extended sizes. All sizes in the sneaker are just gonna do well and go up. And I really like this Jordan 1 a lot in hand. They're very, very dope. Personally, I wouldn't wear them, but I do think they're a clean Jordan 1 nonetheless. The Atmosphere or the bubblegum Air Jordan 1 is definitely gonna go up in price here in 2022. Coming in at number 3, unfortunately, another Air Jordan 1 I do not have in hand, but it is the Air Jordan 1 Seafoam. This colorway, this color blocking, it's doing really well. They have gone up in price already. I do believe that they will continue to go up, especially here in 2022. The smaller sizes are actually where it's at right now. They're over $300. The bigger sizes are at around $260, $270. I think both easily have potential to go up to like $450. This is definitely going to go up in price. With this colorway, this color blocking, they're so wearable. They look very, very similar to other Air Jordan 1s that are very expensive. This sneaker, this color blocking, this colorway, it's going to do well, whether it's on a low, a mid, a high, just like that, they're going to do well. The Seafoams, man, definitely do not sleep. You shouldn't have slept when they were at like $220, $230. They have gone up, but like I said, I do believe that they will continue to go up. It comes down to wearability when it comes down to most of these sneaker investments. The Seafoam Air Jordan 1 is going to go up more in price here in 2022. Make sure you guys buy these before it's too late, because I think they're going to creep up like crazy. At number 2, we have a limited Air Jordan 1 that is very, very similar to an Air Jordan 3 that has went to the moon in price. That Jordan 3 is closing in on like $900, almost $1,000. However, this Jordan 1 is not. They have gone up. They were reselling for around $380 to $400 in most sizes. They have gone up to around $450. They will continue to climb. The Air Jordan 1. Marina. Buy these Air Jordan 1s before it's too late, because these are going up in price even more. Marina has been killing it with their sneaker collaborations last year. I'm excited for this year. I think this year, hype is definitely going to be through the roof when they have another collaboration. It's supposed to be on a Jordan 2, and I'm sure we'll get more. Guys, my point is this. When we have the Marina Jordan 3, doing $900, $1,000 for a Jordan 3. That was dubbed sneaker of the year for most people. Well, the 1, it's a Jordan 1. They're at like $450 right now. They were at like $380 to $400. They have gone up. I do see them going up even more here in 2022, and even going up more in price as years go by. This right here is going to be a very sought after and coveted Air Jordan 1 in years to come. If you like these at all, buy them, guys. The Mariniers are just straight fire. Buy the Marina Air Jordan 1s before you can't anymore. I saved the most expensive sneaker for last. Guys, this sneaker has already gone up in price. I remember when they were reselling for around $1,400. They are now closing in on $1,700, $1,800. Some sizes, that 9.5 that I have, is at over $2,000. I own multiple pairs. You can see I have a pair in the back that is my personal. I have multiple pairs that I have invested in. These are just going up like crazy. The Travis Scott Fragment Air Jordan 1 Low. I told you guys to hold on to them, that they were going to be at their lowest point after release. Shortly after they were, and they quickly went up. Take a look at prices now. Take a look at that chart. Definitely made a few $100s if you held on to pairs. I definitely see the Travis Scott Fragment 1 lows and highs going up even more. But when it comes to the lows, I had to have them. I did pick up a pair on the Nike sneakers app. I got lucky. I got exclusive access. I also paid resale for some pairs, so I needed to get a few pairs of Travis Scott Fragments. I knew these were going to go up, man. I do think these will continue to go up here in 2022. Every size will go to $2,000. Some sizes, like that 9.5 that's at $2K, it'll go up even more. That can go up. These can go up Who knows, guys? They can go to $3 maybe. Who knows? We'll see. One of the most hyped and one of the best sneakers that released last year. For me, this was sneaker of the year last year, in my opinion. I love the colorway. I love the color blocking. I love, to be honest, of course, that it's Travis Scott Fragment. It's just a dope looking shoe, guys. Buy the Travis Scott Fragments if you could afford them before it's too late, because they're gonna go up even more and be even more expensive. The Travis Scott Fragment Air Jordan 1 Low is definitely a sneaker to buy before it's too late. In years to come, the Travis Scott Fragments are gonna be even more expensive. They're gonna be thousands upon thousands of dollars. 1,000 likes on this video for more Air Jordan 1 giveaways. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.